Hi everyone. Last day we have discussed about celestial bodies like stars, planets, and also about constellation and pole star. I hope that you have watched the night sky to find out pole star and different constellation. That day I told you that we will learn about solar family and its members in next video. So it's a time to learn about them. In this video we will learn about what is solar system and its members, only planets. Okay, then first we are going to learn about the meaning of the word solar. Sol in Roman mythology is sun god. Sol means sun. So solar means related to the sun. And the system refers to its family. So the solar system is the name given to the sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids that revolve around it. All objects revolve around the sun because sun is the head of the family. Okay, now let's learn some interesting things about sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system. So sun is the center of solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases like hydrogen and helium, etc. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. What is pulling force? When force brings an object closer. For example, opening the door, we use a pulling force. So, the pulling force of the sun attracts all other objects in the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. But we do not feel so much heat because it is far away from us. But don't forget one thing, sun is the nearest star to the earth. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. So the light of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth. Okay, the next topic is planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed paths. The paths are elongated. They are called orbits. The paths on which the planets revolve around the sun are called orbits. We can learn a few things about each planet. Okay, first Mercury. Mercury, the planet nearest to the sun, smallest and fastest planet in solar system. Next, Venus. Venus is the hottest planet. It is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to Earth. It is the brightest object in the sky after the sun and moon. So, it is also known as evening star or morning star. Third, Earth. Earth is the 5th largest planet in solar system. Earth is also known as blue planet or water planet. Fourth, Mars. Mars is the 2nd smallest planet in solar system. It is also known as red planet because the mineral iron oxide very common in its surface. The red planet is very similar to Earth and scientists are trying to find out if life was present there. Fifth, Jupiter. Jupiter is the giant planet in solar system, about 11 times larger than our Earth. 6. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet after Jupiter. 7. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet. It is the third largest planet after Saturn, discovered by William Herschel in 1781. Then last, Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet in solar system according to the distance from the sun. Then one more thing, dwarf planets. What is dwarf planets? Dwarf planets are large rocky bodies but too small to be planet that orbit the sun. There are many dwarf planets. Ceres is the nearest dwarf planet to the sun. Pluto is the second closest dwarf planet to the sun. Then Eris, Makemake, Haumea are the other important dwarf planets discovered in recent past. Pluto was once a planet and was the ninth planet in the solar system until 2006. However, in a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto, like other celestial object. Okay, this is your today's lesson. We have discussed about the sun, center of solar system, and 8 planets, moreover the dwarf planets. Okay, these are your questions. Question 1, what is meant by the solar system? Second, name all planets according to their distance from the sun. Third, the planet known as Earth's twin is dash. And 4, all the planets move around the sun in a dash. Then 5, dash is the third nearest planet to the sun. Okay, thank you everyone. We will see you in next video.